So I decided to run my first marathon, which took place in December of 2022. And I had never trained for a long endurance race like that before. And so I ended up overtraining a little bit. And within that, for my first 18-mile run, I had stressed my Achilles so much so that I actually developed a little tear in there. So it was extremely uncomfortable to walk, run, and really do anything, which of course inhibited me being able to continue with training. So not what you want, about 6-7 weeks out from race day. So that was definitely a challenge to overcome. So I found STEMREGEN because we offer it in our practice sports stocks. And when I first tore my Achilles, I thought, well, I'm going to need some extra help since I need to be better in about 6 weeks to run a marathon. And so I spoke with the doctor in our office and I said, hey, I got to get on this stuff. I know it's going to be awesome. We've been putting a lot of our athletes on it. We've been seeing amazing results. And so he told me the dosage to take, and I started taking it that day, and it was a game changer. As soon as I started taking STEMREGEN, we also use a modality in our office called sound wave therapy. And so basically what that does is it puts sound wave into the tissue, which helps your body naturally be able to produce more stem cells. So it creates a little micro trauma to the area and allows your body to say, hey, we have something going on, let's send some more stem cells there. So taking STEMREGEN while doing sound wave therapy was the absolute key because I had an influx of stem cells going to the area that I needed to be healed. And within 7 to 10 days, I was out running. It was insane because I couldn't even walk on my Achilles beforehand. And to be able to jump back in and go on a 12-mile run about 10 days later was crucial because a couple weeks out from the race, I couldn't even feel my Achilles anymore. And I was set in phase dose the next day. Post race day, my recovery needed some work, so I definitely took about the same dosage that I took of STEMREGEN before running the race to help me with my Achilles. I did the same post race as well for recovery because I was sore for a little bit of time and I needed a little bit of extra help. And I swear it was such a big difference. I ran the marathon with a couple other people that I knew, and I recovered way faster than they did, and that shouldn't have been the case. So it was crucial for my recovery. So I would recommend STEMREGEN to just about anyone. I truly believe that stem cells are such a key and huge role in healing in so many different ways. And in fact, we recommend it to a lot of our patients in our office every day. And so I have shared the word about STEMREGEN to so many people, and I will continue doing so because it is a true life changer for sure. So what surprised me most about STEMREGEN was how quickly it was working. I've taken a lot of herbs in the past, a lot of supplements. I've just kind of been on this holistic course for my entire life, but normally when I'm taking a supplement, I maybe won't notice a change for a little bit of time. And within days, I was like, wow, this is making a huge difference, and I didn't want to miss taking it for a day. Hi, my name is Megan, and I am from Phoenix, Arizona.